let's look at some chords. So we're going to look at the C and the F chord. They're two of the easiest chords on the ukulele, and in fact they're the first two that we teach in school. We're going to use the chord charts, those funny boxes with lines going up and down and across. Now if you don't know how to read them, don't panic. The chord charts are actually the same as your ukuleles, alright? Now you obviously need to look at your ukulele this way round, so you're looking at the fretboard, but the right hand line going down, okay, is your right hand string, which is our A string. And then the lines going across, if we count them up, 1, 2, 3, that's our third fret, and it's got a little number 3 on it, and that means we're going to use our third finger, our ring finger. And we're just going to press that and then strum down gently. Okay? That's our C chord. You can use your thumb or your first finger, whatever you find easiest. Okay, that's our C. Now if we do the same with the F, we look at our fretboard, we notice it's the second line down this time, which is our E string, and it's the first box, and then it's our furthest line on the left hand side, which is our G string, and it's the second box, and this time it's got a 1 and a 2, indicating we're going to use our first and second fingers, and it should look like that. Okay, this is our F chord, and it should sound like this. Okay, I hope you're with me so far. Now then, when we go to play through the exercise, you might notice some little coloured ukuleles. That's because in school we use a system of stickers to represent the different chords. We'll play through in a moment, don't panic, there's only one strum per chord to start with. Okay, so get yourselves ready. The first chord is an F chord, okay, and it's going to be just one strum, 3, 4, 1, 2, now straight onto your C. So as soon as I've played the chord, I'm thinking about moving my fingers for the next one. Straight back there again. Okay, now onto my F. So I'm always thinking ahead. As soon as I've played the chord, I'm moving my fingers at the first opportunity. Alright. And then for my last F. Okay. Now we have plenty of time to think about it then in between. This time it's going to be 2 strums. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, onto C. 1, 2, onto F. 1, 2, 3, onto C. So again I move my fingers as soon as I've played that second chord. 3, 4. 1, 2, onto F. Okay. Back to C, and then finish on an F. Alright? And don't forget you can pause and practice in between. So the final time now is going to be for 4 strums. 3, 4. 1, 2, onto C. Now don't panic if you have to move earlier and miss the final strum, but I'm constantly thinking, move. Okay, let's have another playthrough, and I'll try not to speak, although I do find that quite hard. So get yourselves ready on your F chord, just one strum, here we go, ready? Okay, that's the managed not to speak. Here we go. 2 strums this time. Ready on your F? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. How we doing? Okay, final time, 4 strums. Don't forget, move as soon as you can. Ready? F. How was that? I hope it went well. Don't panic, you can always go back, watch it again and practice. Okay, please subscribe, thanks for watching and tune in for more videos.